In the present material condition, our heart is covered with so much garbage of different types of body. It's like all of a sudden something comes to your mind. It has no connection, just like a bubble comes up. Because so many dirty things are reserved on account of our material condition and life for millions and millions of years. Anadi karama phale pori bhavar nava jale. Anadi, we cannot. Adi means the creation. So before this creation, bhutta bhutta praliyat, we are in this material contamination, not that in this millennium. Before they just like millennium after millennium. Narad Muni was speaking his life before this millennium. So, Anadi. Anadi means creation. But not only one creation, several creations. We are forgotten. We are in this material world. Krishna bhuliya jiva bhagavan. We are searching after material comfort, sense gratification in so many ways. So, anadi karama phale pari bhavan na bhajale. Tarivare na dekhi upay. In this way you are going. So, consciousness is there, but the dirty things contaminated life after life, that is accumulated. We have to cleanse this. And that is called Visuddha Chetas. Visuddha Chetas. Just like infection of disease can be also disinfected by injection, by vaccine. Similarly, if you take this vaccine or antiseptic, what is that called? Counteracting? Inoculation and so on. There are different terms. So, this is the process. We are eternally related with Krishna. Nitya Siddha Krishna Bhakti. And you are eternally very affectionate and obedient servant of Krishna. That is our position. Somehow or other it is covered. So that garbage, this covering has to be moved. Therefore Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Cheta Darpana Marjanam. This is the process of cleansing the mirror of the heart. The mirror, when it is covered by dust, you cannot see your face nicely. But as soon as it is nicely brushed and cleansed, you see exactly what you are. Similarly, the Krishna consciousness movement means cleansing the heart of all the dirty things that is accumulated life after life. It is not an artificial thing. We are learning to become devotee of Krishna. We are already devotee of Krishna. But we have forgotten, or the consciousness is covered. Now, by this process, devotional process, especially by kirtan, by chanting, glorifying the holy name of the Lord, the cleansing process is accelerated. Very soon it takes place. Kirtanadeva Krishnasya mukta sangha parang brajet. This is the facility of this age, Kali Yuga. This is the only facility. And Kali Yuga, you cannot perform meditation or perform big sacrifices as they are mentioned in the Vedas, or you cannot perform even deity worship very nicely. There are so many flaws. Everything is very difficult. and charity, and there are so many. Samena, Tamena, Danena, Tyagena. So where is the money I shall give? There is no money even to feed me. I am eating this morning, I do not know what shall I eat in the evening. This is the position at the present moment. Prayana alpa ayusha, kalau asmin jugi jana. The life is also very short duration. And so many disturbances. Not only disturbance of the Kali Yuga, by the disturbance by the government also, by the demigods. There is scorching heat, there is a severe cold, and on Otivrishti, sometimes more than we want, there is rainfall, sometimes there is no rainfall, and in this way the scarcity of foodstuff, Anavrishti, Durbhikha, and taxation. These are the disturbances. So many. One side taxation by the government, another side by nature. There is scarcity of food and there is scarcity of rain. So these are stated in the Bhagavata. Durbhikha, Anavrishti, Durbhikha, Karopirita. People will be so much disturbed. It is already disturbed. Gachanti Grikananam. They will leave their home, their family, and go to the forest, go to the hills, disgusted. So, this is the Kali Yuga symptom. The how one will clean the heart. He cannot sit even peacefully for a moment, disturbed, always disturbed in the mind, anxiety, full of anxiety. How it will be possible to meditate? This is all nonsense. This is not possible. In Kali Yuga, meditation is not possible. The so-called meditation is a farce. Those who are trying to meditate, therefore you don't see any improvement in their life. They are making a formal meditation, but they remain what they are. Don't improve anything. That's not possible. So, therefore in this age it is recommended that Kriti Jadhayato Vishnu Tritayang Jajato Makhai Dapare Parichajyayam Kalo Tad Hari Kirtana. Simply chant Hare Krishna. That is the only way. There is no other method. There are methods, but you cannot perform it. You are so condemned. You means we also, everyone. We are so condemned, and the age is so condemned, that it is very, very difficult. It is not possible. And another process is this, as Narad Muni says, Uchchistalepan anumodita dijai, to serve the devotee, a pure devotee. If you serve someone other, you contaminate his quality. Tad dharma. Sakrit bhunje, one side is apasma kilmisha. Kilmisha means the sinful reaction of life. So reduce the reaction of sinful life, because unless we are sinful, we cannot remain within this. A prisoner means a criminal. As soon as you find a person in the prison house, you should understand that he is a criminal. That criminality may be of different degrees. That is another thing. But he is a criminal. Similarly, anyone beginning from Brahma down to the germ in the stool, they are all sinful. All sinful. People will be surprised that Brahma is also sinful.